So between the like how a nerve and a muscle communicate, that's what is known as a neuromuscular junction. Neuro meaning the nerve, muscular meaning the muscle. Okay, so the junction between a nerve and a muscle is what is called the neuromuscular junction. So you could have some disorders coming up in this place. All right, of course these disorders are actually what disrupting how the nerve and the muscle are communicating. You understand? So these conditions are disrupting the communication between nerves and muscles. So it's leading towards the muscle not receiving enough impulses. So you're having weakness and fatigue. All right. So this is where the motor neurons, they release acetylcholine, a chemical messenger that signals muscles to contract. That's at the neuromuscular junction. Do you understand? So if that whole process is not going on as planned, all right, is what is a disorder. So here are some of the well-known conditions that have to do with what the nerve and the muscles, the way they coordinate, all right, having issues. We have Myasthenia Gravis, have the Lambert-Eaton Myasthenic Syndrome. Okay, these are the two. We'll still make special videos on them later on. All right, so this is a neuromuscular junction, all right, with Myasthenia Gravis. All right, basically the way the nerves and the muscles are communicating is being disrupted. Okay, so also have botulinism. We have congenital myasthenic syndromes. We have toxic neuromuscular junction disorders. This one is basically a toxic stuff is what is now stopping that communication between a nerve and a muscle. So common symptoms is muscle weakness. The person is so tired. All right, the eyes are drooping. The person is having difficulties in speaking. All right. So there's no sensory loss. It's only the motor coordination that is having problems. So diagnosis and treatment is, I want to actually do blood tests because I want to pick up, all right, antibodies. All right. So treatment depends on the cause. I can use immunosuppressants. Okay, that's if it is the immune system that is attacking its own cells. I can use acetylcholinesterase inhibitors if it is the acetylcholinesterase enzyme that is too high and is breaking down acetylcholine, the neuromuscular junction. And plasma exchange. Then you can also address other underlying issues like cancers.